In both Italian and English, a common way of informally asking to have a quick word with someone is,
Hai un minuto?
"Do you have a minute?" The phrase breaks down in the following way.
Hai,
The second person singular present indicative of
avere,
to have. It's pronounced I without the H.
un,
The masculine singular indefinite article, shortened from uno,
minuto.
the word for minute in Italian. You can answer the question by saying,
Certo.
of course, if you have time, or
No, scusa, adesso non posso.
sorry, no, I can't right now, if you're in a hurry or running late. Another way to answer in an affirmative and friendly manner is,
Anche due se vuoi.
or just,
Anche due.
you're literally saying that you have not 1 but 2 minutes, meaning that you have time.
Scusa Paolo, hai un minuto? Anche due. Come posso aiutarti?
Sorry, Paolo, do you have a minute? Of course, how can I help? If you're talking to someone with whom you have a more formal relationship, such as your boss or a client, it's best to use avere's third person formal.
A.
In this case, the speaker might include the subject pronoun
Lei.
or even the name of the person because it makes the sentence sound more polite. If you want to be even more polite, you can add
Per me.
literally for me or
Da dedicarmi.
literally to dedicate to me after minuto, or introduce the question with
Scusi.
or
Mi scusi.
sorry, excuse me.
Mi scusi, signor Rossi. Ha un minuto da dedicarmi?
Excuse me, Mr. Rossi, do you have a minute? Some alternative ways of asking the same question include,
Hai un secondo?
do you have a second? Informal.
Ha un secondo?
Do you have a second? Formal.
Hai un attimo di tempo?
Do you have a moment? Informal.
Ha un attimo di tempo?
Do you have a moment? Formal. Finally, there's the expression,
Rubare un minuto.
literally, to steal a minute.
Mario, posso rubarti un minuto? Ho bisogno di un parere su questo articolo.
Mario, can I steal a minute of your time? I need an opinion on this article.
Grazie per averci seguito.
Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.